ये रही हमारी आई क्यूब। रेनी सीजन अभी तक ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है, चार्ज 100% है। स्टेयरिंग टाइट हो चुका है, मे बी आगे के टायर में हवा कम है। एंड पीछे जाते समय ये आवाज़ आती है बिकॉज रेयर व्हील जैम है, क्योंकि हमने सर्विस टाइम पे कराई नहीं थी। ये देखो आगे जाते समय भी थोड़ा थोड़ा आवाज़ आता है। तो अभी लेके जा रहे हैं इसको सर्विस पे। 3 साल होने को आए हैं एंड वी हैव जस्ट डन 5770 किलोमीटर्स बिकॉज यूसेज ज़्यादा नहीं है। रोज़ का सिर्फ 1-1.5 किलोमीटर का रनिंग है। मैं बुक्स ऊपर भूल गया हूँ, बुक्स लेके आते हैं फिर चलते हैं। I've reached the service and as usual there's tons and tons of rush. जॉब कार्ड हो गया है and scooter has gone for washing first as usual. This is a good concept. They wash the bikes first, scooters first, so that all the dirt and all falls down. I mean, gets removed and then it goes to the service bay, so that when the mechanic or the service engineer is working on it, there is no dust around on the ground that he's working on, the floor that he's working on, the ramp that he's working on. Plus, whatever parts he removes and puts back, they are all clean, so that no damage happens to the parts, no scratches fall on it, the bolts come off easily, and so on and so forth. So in line, they're washing 3344 vehicles, and so far I have never had any complaint on the washing front. The service engineers always advises also check the scooters. At least with me, it has never happened. So घर से यहाँ तक चला के लाया तो आवाज़ बंद हो गई। देखो अब भी आया जस्ट वापस। बहुत माइन्यूट है बट 100% अंदर कम्प्लीटली व्हील जो है ना पूरा जैम रहेगा, मिट्टी भरी हुई रहेगी अंदर। Basic washing getting done. So the scooter has been taken on the ramp. Wheels check होंगे, brakes check होंगे, सीट कवर मैं नया डालूंगा, ये रिजॉल्व so now and बैटरी चेक होगी। ज़्यादा तो उसमें कुछ काम होता नहीं है। So इसका स्कूटर is working fine. There's no major issue. I have to work on the scratches, these scratches, these scratches, this one, and सबसे गंदा ये वाला। बारिश के बाद करेंगे। सुबह जो घर से निकलने से पहले जो आवाज़ आ रही थी वो आवाज़ बंद हो गई अभी, बिकॉज उन्होंने ब्रेक लूज़ कर दिया। ब्रेक लूज़ करने के बाद आवाज़ कम हो गया, बट खोल के चेक कर लेंगे। सब जो मेन बैटरी का कंट्रोलर वगैरह है उसके बोल्ट्स आर गेटिंग चेक एंड टॉर्क। अगर लूज़ हो गए रहेंगे तो वो फिर से टाइट कर देते हैं। इससे क्या होगा, कभी शॉर्ट सर्किट नहीं होगा, कभी चार्जिंग वगैरह का इशू नहीं होगा, बैटरी सप्लाई का इशू नहीं होगा। ये सब बोल्ट्स चेक हुए, 1 2 3 4 5 जो भी इधर है सर, एवरीथिंग गॉट चेक। All cams and joints and bolts being lubed so that this doesn't get stuck. This was lubed right now. Front disc and caliper being cleaned with brake cleaner. Main thing now, checking the battery life and if at all there are any other errors. Even this lock was greased.
बैटरी भी है, बैटरी भी
Okay. All batteries are okay. Showing the same range as same percentage as this one, 99%. इधर भी मैच हो रहा है, सब कुछ सेम है, all right है। Serviced and all ready to go home. It will get polished now, air pressure checked for tires, and then we can leave. It should be 36 and it was showing 15 in my scooter. एयर प्रेशर रेगुलरली चेक किया करो, मैं भी भूल जाता हूँ। एयर now. डायरेक्ट प्रेशर से ऊपर से चेक फिल होता है, बाद में चेक करेंगे फिर। फ्रंट टायर had 7 psi. The seat cover was torn, so got that done. New one, brand new. put number plate holders for front and back, so that this number plate actually had bent because there was no protection to it. Someone had rammed from behind. This had bent, this broke that time. Rest, it's alright. So I'll ride back home, and I don't think so I have to cover anything more. This was the basic service, and I purchased AMC. So because of AMC, service cost was way too less, 619 only. In that too, 536 is seat cover cost. So that was the second, no sorry, this is like 6th service in 3 years. Like every 6 months I've got some service done, some work done, and otherwise to come regularly by the schedule it will be the 4th service. Now my wife has been using this scooter in the city for 3-4 days, and it's just like 14-15 kilometers, not even 14, 10 kilometers is used. Now if I take the scooter in reverse, there is no screeching sound from the brake unless I press the brake. Only when I press the brake there is sound, otherwise there is no sound. So overall service work has been done is good. Very basic work done, nothing special. And I came home and polished the scooter again after days polished at a workshop after service. I installed number plate holders also, because this number plate had bent. A new seat cover put in place, so the scooter looks, pretty new after a service, wash and polish. Let me know who all have been using iQube since 2-3 years, and who all have had no issues at all. Thanks for watching. Ending the vlog here. See you in a new one very soon. Like, share, subscribe.
I didn't wanna see you when you came home, 'cause you always try to hurt me and